Oh.
What a fun, overcast, kind of ugly day. It's cool. I'm in shorts, but it's cool. Anyways, I want to go fly. It's a little windy. A little. Did I say a little windy? It's pretty windy. It's like darn windy. But to no avail. I shall not be deterred. Because the turds don't fly in the wind. Boy, raunchy. And it's not light out, it's dark. Cloud cover is turned quite dark. So I just get to see a silhouette of a dark green plane against a dark sky. Not whining. I'm happy to be out. A bit of a fun landing, although the weight of this thing makes it a breeze. Meow. Making noises like Gina. I gotta fly this way because there's a car parked behind me. And the doggy walkers that don't care about the weather are out there. There's one. Hey, how's it going? Ah, it's a nice day. Yeah. About 20 minutes. Yeah, it's a miserly little electric motor in it. Yeah, you too. Bye-bye. I should have given that a caveat. 20 minutes when I fly around like an old lady. More like 15, 16 minutes if I do this. Fly like a wild man. You were the sunshine, baby, whenever you smile, but I call you stormy today. Darn it. Well, if I can bring it in closer, you can see I put the shortened gear on it, which greatly improved the handling on the ground. Now it doesn't just boing like a darn kangaroo. I think they put those big gear on there for the stock prop, which is like a 9 or maybe even an 8-inch prop on the old GWS. They were big props on gear drives. And they flew about this fast. As fast as I'm going. It does have good performance. I wish the roll rate was a bit better. You can enhance it with throwing in some rudder too, but then it gets all squirrely. Oh, downdraft. Picked my tail and grabbed it. It's not a heavy model. Oh shoot, I didn't reset this timer. So on a 1300, I pulled 17 minutes and I still had 3.87 volts left per cell, which is a lot if you're not in the know. So 17 minutes, that's a long time. Well, how's everybody doing? Hi Rick. Brandon Sherba up in Alaska. Beautiful pictures. The Purcells doing Purcellite things. I thought they had fun. That's a beautiful farm they have. English countryside. An English lady and a gentleman. And then there's everybody else. Anybody that watches. All the subscribers. Holy cats. I don't know where you're all coming from. But, thank you. Enjoy the aviation. It sure is a fun time for me. This is my last day off for a while. So I've sure picked the right day. Wow. Yeah, I picked perfect weather with some forethought into it. End of August, beginning of September, the winds tend to get light, sunny. Oh, there's a calming. Can't go for a touch and go.
Windy has stormy eyes that flash at the sound of lies, and windy has wings to fly above the clouds. Strolling down the streets of the city, smiling at everybody she sees.
Just have to come in so fast over these Ramalamas Ding Dong. The wind was from north and changed to east. Now it's calmer. That's good because I want to take my tiny timber onto the culvert. No, ain't gonna work. I'm just looking at my approach. And we'll walk down here a little bit further. This is the jiggling of the camera. If I want to get any kind of an approach. Of course there's a car parked here, but one of the construction crew for the new lake, which is coming along. They're putting all the liner down. That's pretty cool. That's stage one. Boy, the wind just grabs that. You gotta be on it. try. Whoa.
Struck without a warning.
Just unforgiving.
Did she just ignore the signs in those dark clouds
Thing will
for me behind?
glide forever.
Silver line.
Oh, well. Disappeared behind the trees.
In the door it slammed like
But it's
thunder,
there.
and the tears they fell like rain, and the walls
And in one
from
piece.
her family were like a hurricane. Oh, she's drowning in emotions, and she cannot reach
still got
the
lots of time.
shore. She's alive, and she survived.
That's enough.
The storm.
Oh well, at least I can demonstrate the awesome ground handling. Check that out, baby.
Broken to Boston,
Rock solid.
lies in pieces down the hall.
Slow down there,
Finding
Nakajima.
all the answers don't change nothing more. It's time that she stops searching.
No, not bad considering this model
Who's to blame? Oh,
sat in somebody's closet for, I think, 20 years.
the only thing for certain is he's
Bought
gone.
it and
She's got
never assembled it.
Then a door will slam like thunder, and the tears they fall like rain, and the
All right.
warnings from her family
That's the Zero.
were like a hurricane. Oh, she's drowning in
Me, I put a homemade
emotion,
motor in it.
and she
I am so
cannot
proud of that.
reach the shore.
And,
She's alive,
Show you my cool
but
little
can she
battery
survive?
slide this back and boom, there it is.
Storm.
3 cells. Alright, see y'all later. Take care. Bye.